Who owns the crown?
Yes, ameteka Acholi imitika na nwaka Mike and Delight Multimedia Production. Kita wachikere ni Martin ati of course ki dana madit maka ilogo in music industry ikumalo me Uganda peromo kalowai ki kome ki chago wacho kita music meluo kita tiekere peromo weko enmalo na ye la dit Prince. Umera Acholi.
Afford it all.
Yes.
Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too. It has been well. Maybe you can introduce yourself to our viewers.
Yeah, unjo tena no wai chairman Apoetek and Yajoloni manager Prince, one of the legendary artist manager in northern Uganda. Yeah man, nice meeting you. Meeting yamo.
No. Yes, manager Prince no ne pera tactual menu akuloga chel mo ario kedi malubeki yubmateka waranyim manikin PATOLOVER boyginki Eddy WIZZY the battle. Of course, it's any don't talk of northern Uganda. Today you cannot talk about anything without calling the names of these two boys. I would like to hear your opinion since you have been there in this industry. Ngomiramu wachune about these two guys and I mean about this battle really.
Yeah, first and foremost, I'm here for northern Uganda at large because the industry is really growing. And I want to congratulate all these stars of ours because these are our superstars. They have really done a great job because without much effort, teacher tech, no peramo ke logikane. So because of the hard work they have also done and their fans, they have also pushed for it because without their fans, no pengo, no dang petit. So right about now, we are so happy. For this because it's one of a kind in northern Uganda. Yeah, it's one of a kind. So we are so happy about it. I call upon northern Uganda, this support, but online again. We should make sure, because we have all believed in this young great artist of this generation because they are the king of this generation. Eddy WIZZY is the king in this generation. PATOLOVER is the king in this generation. So last year, Loverboy had a concert last year, and Eddy WIZZY had his this year, right?
Exactly.
And the turn-up was maximum. So I call upon all the northern Ugandans. Eddy WIZZY himself alone had to make Acholi in full. Loverboy also made it full. So now when these are now two artists, the same artists who had the same different concert, but in the same venue, they were all full. So all those fans again they turn up in will be small. So that is what we want to see compared just supporting social media again, commenting let's turn up in large numbers and we witness. Yeah man.
Yes, and then okay we keda in Bero medweme bongwen mwagali vario kipiaria uyangwen. That's when the event is going to be there. We bedi Acholi in don't teaching ali piario kiken VIP ali Pier Beach kadong mechati ali Mia Beach kidong million achel. Kwan karani where okunu inen jamine kitano bibero kede. Prince amite angeni time tichkiru where you and you have ever worked with PATOLOVER boy itemo tijbeneki Eddy WIZZY ngomiramu wachune bot Joman.
Yeah, first of all, I met for again this same great artist because of them this battle is going to happen because Eddy we are going to pay ye dang battle no better pay. Loverboy going to pay ye no dang better pay. All these artists almost they have same similarity. They are very humble artists. You know about where I'm all. They are of course when you see to branding where these are artists. Even in Kampala, when you move with PATOLOVER boy, Oyo Muyimbi. Even Eddy WIZZY, even Eddy WIZZY, get what get Kampala. Oyo Superstar. You understand? Because of the branding. First of all, which is music. So they have invested in music more than what they get out of music. That is the first priority. And because industry, it has not been embraced that fully much compared to the central industry. But I know Eddy WIZZY 500,000. Loverboy they will look 1 million. You understand? But when you compare to no change and no money warrior show is not equivalent to what he puts in the music industry. So what do I see? PATOLOVER boy is a grandpa when it comes to him and Eddy WIZZY. PATOLOVER boy is a father to Eddy WIZZY because Loverboy started before Eddy WIZZY. So in that way, Grandpa is a legend about Eddy WIZZY because he started years back and ever since he started, the big man never dropped down also. He has been consistent. And because the car Loverboy being no partner one not here Marco Pengara no Boss Mig, Lil Roy and the two stars. That was the time Loverboy being okay. And ever since he came gap or it remained kind of carry Kampala carry winning combat we have the big threes. Whereby Noni Baby Cool, Bobby Wine and
Just the chameleon.
So in Northern Uganda, again, we had the two stars, we had Boss Mig, Lil Roy was there, even Lab Addiction. There's the time Loverboy also came in. So the guy ever since he came in, most of these artists, some of them, they left the limelight. But Loverboy has been there up to now. So Eddy WIZZY also, he also loves music. Eddy WIZZY loves music, and he has worked so hard. Really so hard today to compete with his father in the industry. That's Nyorone. He has been a very big inspiration to the greater Northern Uganda industry. And I want to tell this name, Eddy WIZZY in this industry, your milestone will live to be remembered. At least you're this one artist, my eye, proving in Northern Uganda, when you love something and you put in your heart, you can get at the top and even compete with those who you found there. And even you can challenge them, or you might even not challenge them, but in every day, know your name has been left. At one day, Eddy WIZZY came and did battle with this person. So I want to say battle battle me don't get change kono kane.
And then
Eddy WIZZY known in Loverboy Pegwa Loy. Loverboy Young known in Pegwa Loy, and one down about you is singing. So the microphone is gonna be there. We see who is who. Kira ka wino pok malachok and I don't
get fire.
Yes, sire.
Yes, and then again the popo kicking on more better watching the Carmelat, watching a Piemanti, Piemewe, Pepe Mebun, Nidano with roll gloves down of Timunga. We are bam and a year, Kamajam, we will be Tumki ye. Microphone, sound tie, so Gina Peretek anything in Mirbeti Meneni, Imocha den. That's why we are calling upon you to come. We are Mokcha den. And the petty online, no. And Merma and Merquana Memi. We are kitangeje be beru kede en po beru kuimo manegi be bon online pe bene kuimo in mere chete kunu di ba we are mok chaden ngomu beti maybe a lokeme age kenyo lokmo magwari tamoni miri waje mafot pia wa akikan
le bon ke luor mo ken ingeo always the truth has to be said.
Yes.
So among these two greatest artists, they're all great artists, they're all great. So it's like in a family you can have two kids and they're all brothers. But ngarache talent bolo pala warreo. Ene pa ke por pa Eddy WIZZY gine Loverboy. Loverboy is a versatile artist. Loverboy sings, kai duare dancehall is another problem. Kai duare Afro dancehall is another problem. Kai duare reggae music. So it's versatile. But Eddy is specialized in one music. And music magi wara mod gine Afro zouk geno. Anyway, my Eddy WIZZY where or more. He sings.
But Yoba all was a dancehall.
That was those days. Yeah, man. Dancehall now when we compare the dancehall, okay, when you dancehall Loverboy, okay, dancehall Eddy. For example, right now you go and when you what's your problem?
What's your problem? Yes.
Yeah, it's a very good song. But now when you listen to Royal Rambo, and then young there's difference. When somebody is rooted into music and somebody who loves singing. So there are two. One is rooted in music and one loves singing. And Eddy WIZZY, not with Kitgum Maraj, we really appreciate you. What I will say, you've done in a lot. Because right now, honestly, Loverboy has to pick also a lot from Eddy WIZZY. The reason being, this young man has put in a lot of effort. Your branding, bro, is very big in Northern Uganda. You need to brand more, deep more player. Reason being, even on social media handles, Eddy WIZZY is among the biggest artists in Northern Uganda. Even now, where I don't not only in Northern Uganda, they are in, like, for example, Silver. In Northern Uganda, like now in Gulu, but we have less than 5 artists who can perform big shows in Lira. And Eddy WIZZY is a priority among those artists in Uganda. So that's new. He has really worked so hard. So, bro, we are giving you your flowers. I myself, as manager Prince, I love you so much. You're my superstar. Loverboy is also my superstar. We are all proud of you guys. Together, let's shine Northern Uganda. This industry, Northern Uganda, Eddy WIZZY, you might not do everything. Even Loverboy, you will not do everything because this industry, Oberchalo slice of a bread. Eddy WIZZY, bichamo slice, you remain there. Loverboy, bichamo also come and do what? And eat on that industry. So after this battle, we still have life to live. We still have fans to make them happy. So
it's true.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Then also, my last regards also, when I need to also congratulate other artists because it's not about PATOLOVER and Eddy WIZZY.
Yes, yes.
You have great artists like Easy, Polite, Moscow, Laxi Movers, and I've seen there's the one artist who is really, when Northern Uganda gives him a chance, as they're doing right now, and more, that is Mix Zola. It's going to be a problem also in Northern Uganda. So Northern Uganda, well, let's give support. Odong, Wawadong music to the extent, where they're living luxurious life, not pretending, because for now, man, our artists, they're just pretending. Yet, they're trying to compete with WIZKID, they're trying to compete with the video, they're trying to compete with Chameleon, but they only support a Pashupetia. So let's pull up our socks to support this home artist. Together, one world war. Thank you guys. Yeah, man.
Thank you, brother. Again, we waju chalo ngata uri Germany, utero chal ngatma uchagu neno kita promotion me music beru kede ngatu managing konglu webene. Uneno side ma mege kita neno kede kijemi. Ngeo neno padano papat. Tijo mu kene make choya bichel kichung kitung kuja nena bongwen ngatu chungi tungi no nena bichel. Enuni no kitetika nene kede pini ne iti wrong. No, you're right. Ento side ma chung ye neno ni yene tika nene kamanu. Pianki neno tiagu mino rounding up jami wen kita no meru kede neno mamege kita neno kede jomu kene madiri maje bi magungo o bi magu bendera pi kumalume Uganda ikitmewe. Of course, a bit of DJ Silva charity subscribing YouTube channel, man. We're picking you more ken more bikeli makwaru lokom luwe lokom turo gidimo kikene. See ya.
Who owns the crown? Angamotera.